Go.
All right, guys. Today we're gonna be wading Buckcreek, see if we can't catch some big smallmouth.
We're gonna be fishing Buckcreek today. Beautiful day out here. Hopefully we'll get on some smallmouth. We'll roll you guys to the GoPro footage. All right, we're down here trying not to fall in. All right, here goes nothing. Oh, that's cold. Oh, okay. Me and Drew's gonna try to walk up these rocks right here. Not really necessarily throw up in these big rapids. Try to get up here to some calmer water and try to catch some smallmouth. We're gonna throw a couple casts right here. Smallmouth like to be in this fast current. So me and Drew's trying to make our way up the creek, and well, I just hit a slick spot and smelled busted my back, and then Trey fell. These rocks are not, really, I don't know, what's the word called? We're just trying to make our way up the creek right now without falling. I have not got on any fish yet, but hopefully it should be a fun day and no one falls. So I'm here in the water. My bait's stuck. My bait's stuck. Okay. My bait's stuck. I'm trying not to fall. I'm filming just so if I fall, I can get a little comedy for you guys. It's not really funny in the moment. Come on. So me and Drew have not
Having a good day so far.
We have not made it far, and it looks like this trip's gonna be a lot longer than we anticipated, and the fishing's not been too good right now, and well, it's just looking like a long day in my opinion.
First fish of the day, boys.
Dang, I thought he was joking. He actually caught one. Oh.
And it just fell off.
But I'm pretty sure I got that on camera.
It was about a 4-incher.
It is about a 4-incher, but hey.
Hey, we'll take it.
First fish. Trying to catch some creek donkeys.
That's not quite what we're looking for, but we'll take it. We got the skunk off the board.
Yeah. And hopefully we have a hop. I just caught a leaf. Thought she was a fish. Hopefully, we can catch some more fish for you guys. Drew's got one. It's a little dink ball. But hopefully Drew don't get hooked, because if he gets hooked, we're he's okay, I guess. Hook him right here without.
Where'd you throw out there?
Yeah.
You reeling it pretty fast?
He bit like by your leg. I swear. Let's see, let's get these pliers out. You just missed one? Lost my rod. There's a nice little smallmouth for you. Release. There you went. We've caught how many fish, Skeet?
4.
Caught 4 fish. It's been decent day, not the best, but pace is picking up. Water's getting a little colder, it feels like. We're trying to move up the pace a little bit because
we're about 900 yards from where.
Yeah, we're a ways away from where we're getting out. I'm just trying to fish as much as possible. But caught 4, and we'll get back at you guys whenever we catch another one. I just caught this little dude. He's a cute little guy. I'm not gonna put him down in the rapid, but
we're gonna keep him.
Yeah, we might keep him. I doubt it, but
we need to keep him.
And we'll send him back right where he was. Oh, there he went in the water. Alright, he'll be good. He went in a little hole. Well, me and Drew are gonna try to get up the creek a little bit and try to catch some more fish. Yo, I'm hooked up to a big old smallmouth. Is that a smallmouth?
Yeah, that's a smallmouth. He's like hella.
Oh, it looks like a largemouth. That's a largemouth.
Huh? Is it?
Yeah. What's up with these jokers not eating them all?
I'm gonna be honest, I think that's a smallmouth.
What do you guys think? I mean, yeah, I think it's a smallmouth. Yeah, you're right, Skeet. Just caught him up in this rough water over here, and what's that, number 6?
Is that thunder? Yeah, that's number 6.
Alright, well, we'll release this dude. There he goes. GoPro's about to die. Probably be the last clip. Me and Drew just swam across the creek. It was a little chilly. We just found this little cave. Drew said he's gonna jump in for the video.
I'm not.
I might jump in for the video. It's a little chilly, but I mean, we've caught some fish today. My rod's screwed up. I'm mad. Let's see how cold this water is. Oh, God, it's like taking an ice bath. Oh my. Yeah, this water, it is not warm. Drew just caught a darn bluegill.
We just caught a bluegill.
Drew just caught a bluegill with a tan. But this water is really clear. Still got that bluegill? But maybe we'll get some more clips with the GoPro and before she dies. But hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys like videos like this, like down below and let us know what videos you guys would like to see, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.